The kitchen island was made according to plan. On it, as well as on the side, there is a compact countertop, while the lower fronts are veneered and the upper ones are lacquered. As you can see, there are no handles anywhere, and these are not push-to-open cabinets either. The upper ones are simply opened from the bottom, as the front is extended, but it would be difficult to open the lower ones from the bottom. That's why a special groove was installed at the top, leaving space for your fingers. So you can easily grab the front, and there was no need to make any grooves here. All the drawers are hidden, so you don't have to install more of these grooves and divide the front. Both veneer and lacquered fronts have their pros and cons. Lacquered ones are more expensive, while veneer ones are a bit cheaper. Lacquered ones are prone to chipping and damage. For example, if a dog scratches it, or we hit it with a suitcase while passing by, sometimes little white dots appear on the white front. That won't matter much yet, but if we choose a dark color, it can become noticeable and ruin the visual effect. On the other hand, veneer is more susceptible to damage from moisture above the kettle, above the dishwasher, or above the stove. These are situations where steam can reach, especially on the edges, and the veneer can simply start to peel off. Also, veneer won't work for all shapes. When we want to have milled fronts, then we definitely have to go for lacquered ones. So, as always, we just have to choose a solution that fits our needs and our budget.